Welcome everybody and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terry Fashionable, and in this video today I'm gonna be taking a look at these LED red light therapy hair growth devices. So I'm letting you know from now, the girl is not a dermatologist, you know, she's a hairstylist, but I did speak to one because I wanted to know if it was safe first, and also knowing the benefits of these lights, right, before I went ahead and collaborate. So let me shout out to my sponsor Freyara for sponsoring this video. So if you are experiencing hair breakage or thinness of the hairline or in the middle area, you know, the crown, or have scalp irritation or even alopecia, these tools can be helpful in addition to standard treatments. So let me dig in. The USB charging cable. This is the hat. You can wear the hat by itself, you know, so that's a little tip right there. Here you have the LED light therapy device, and this is where you insert the USB charger. What I love about this is that you can use the function separately, the heat pad, the vibration, or the LED light, or you use them all together. Okay, so I wanted to wear the cap, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. You know, the girl have our natural hair oil for a reason. Okay, let me try. No, wait. Yeah, be back. Let me show you. So this right here is the turn on button where you have the LED light. You have to place your hand on it for a couple seconds in order for it to start. And you'll also be able to change the lights. This is a red right here. I'm just gonna put it on the blue. So this is a blue and it has like 4 different hair modes. Wait, it vibrates. So this is the first level. And then you have the second one. It's louder. The third one, fully blast, and it's very powerful, you know, so I like that. And this right here allows it to heat up. I don't know to what degree, but can be used for hot compression therapy, massaging the scalp, which promote blood circulation and also help the hair absorb nutrients and improve the scalp environment. So I don't know about the wavelength, so I'm not going to speak on that because I'm seeing different numbers for the red lights and blue lights. This is it right here. If anything, I will add it in the video. For light therapy cap for hair growth, 70 LED lamps, massage your scalp, red and blue light therapy, hair regrowth system for man and woman, so it's unisex. I must say, read the manual, you know, because it's very important to do so. So if I'm not explaining something that you don't understand, everything is on it. So but this right here, I feel like if my hair was catching a ponytail or some braids or having my hair straightened flat, as in pressed out, it would have fit, but right at this moment it's not. So let me move on to the massage comb, and this one right here, the girl have to use up. So here you have the multifunctional massage comb. Inside you have the instruction book, storage bag, USB charging cable. So with the comb you have a cover for it, so whenever you finish using it you can cover it. So you have the charging port, the tank cover, which that's where you put the oil. Okay, so with the massage comb, I don't know why they say comb, yo, this is a brush. So what I love about is that you can add whatever oil of your choice in it, right? So let me add more oil to it. I'm not gonna put a lot in it. Close it, make sure that it's sealed, and it's also waterproof. Once you turn it on, the bristle move up and down, giving you that massage feeling. So you have the massage head bristles, fluid guide head, and infrared lights, and it has 3 settings. Okay, nice. I can feel the oil touching my scalp. I'm wondering if the oil can get hot like how the cap can. But this is getting that blood flowing, you know, that blood circulation. I really like this and it feels really good. I like this. This can actually put me to bed. Yo, I think after I'm done with this video, I'm definitely coming back to this brush, of course. The LED light works by dilating blood vessels that surrounded the hair follicles, and as a result of that, you will gain like new growth and the hair follicles will become thicker. With the LED light, make sure that it is shining directly on the scalp, especially where the work is needed the most, like the bald spots or the thin area. Also, the LED light devices are not associated with skin cancer, so they are safe to use on any skin type because it is not ultraviolet light, so the red and blue lights are good to go on your head. So your girl will be giving these LED light therapy devices a chance. I feel like I need to give it at least 3 months to see if it is effective. So I'm gonna dedicate myself to it. You understand me? Because the girl need healthy hair. She need healthy scalp. Like, come on. Hair density need to be popping. So that's that. These devices supposed to rejuvenate dead follicles and bring them back to life. I kind of have like thinness in my crown area, so I'm gonna work on it and see what it's all about. And with these devices, the recommended time that you're supposed to use it is 50 minutes, and I feel like the brush is gonna be my favorite, you know, turn it on, put it on my head. But I do like the cap tweezer, like on my downtime when I don't want to, you know, have anything in my hand. I can just simply put it on my head and good to go. So, you know, I think I have best of both worlds right here. I feel like if I'm taking my supplements, doing my hair treatment, and also self-care, you know, eating right, exercising, like regardless of the situation, you know, you're supposed to still looking fly without your wig or without extension, without braids, no nothing, just natural. Your hair is supposed to be your beauty. So whether it is short or long, as long as it is healthy underneath. And all you hear me talk, I don't really wear my natural hair. Like, I do take care of it, but I don't wear it out. Like, this is my first time trying this style, as in using gel, because I hate gel. Styling gel on me, no agree, none at all. But I try it. You know, let me not get close up. I hope you're not seeing the white residue of the gel with it. But I actually like it. You know, I feel like if I use less gel, listen to me, if you want me to do this on camera, let the girl know. You know, it should show you our local thing, and it's not hard to do. Like, zero skills. You know, you just need a brush, your water, and your gel, and you're good. Jeez. Anyway, guys, if you are interested in these products, I will link it down below. It will be a direct link, and your girl also have a coupon code is Terry. So I will list it. I don't know how much % off you will get, but if you like it, just please use the girl code. You understand me? So anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.